Hey everyone, are you looking for delicious ways to boost your health and fight the signs of aging? What if I told you that you could do just that with some tasty smoothies? Stick around, because today we're sharing 7 antioxidant-rich smoothie recipes that can help fight wrinkles and disease. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Beyour Health, and in today's video, we're diving into 7 incredible smoothie recipes packed with antioxidants. Plus, we'll share some tips on the best ingredients to use and why they're so beneficial for your skin and overall health. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. What are antioxidants and why are they important? Before we dive into the recipes, let's quickly talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This damage can lead to premature aging and various diseases. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and promote healthy, youthful skin. Now, let's get to those smoothie recipes. Segment 1, Berry Blast Smoothie. First up, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie. Berries are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which are great for your skin. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. 2. 1 banana. 3. 1 cup spinach. 4. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 5. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 6. 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Serve immediately. This smoothie is not only delicious but also a fantastic way to start your day with a burst of nutrients. Segment 2, Tropical Green Smoothie. Next, we have the Tropical Green Smoothie. This one combines tropical fruits and leafy greens, making it both refreshing and nutrient-dense. Ingredients: 1 cup kale. Half cup pineapple chunks. Half cup mango chunks. 1 banana. 1 tablespoon flax seeds. 1 cup coconut water. Instructions: 1. Place all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until well combined and smooth. 3. Enjoy chilled. This smoothie is perfect for a hot day and will keep your skin glowing from the inside out. Segment 3, Citrus Carrot Smoothie. Our third recipe is the Citrus Carrot Smoothie. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in your body, promoting healthy skin. Ingredients: 2 medium carrots, peeled and chopped. 1 orange, peeled and segmented. Half cup Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon hemp seeds. 1 cup water. Instructions: 1. Add all ingredients to a blender. 2. Blend until creamy and smooth. 3. Pour into a glass and serve. This smoothie is a great way to get a dose of vitamin A and C, both crucial for maintaining youthful skin. Segment 4, Avocado Spinach Smoothie. Next up is the Avocado Spinach Smoothie. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants like vitamin E, which is excellent for your skin. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado. 1 cup spinach. 1 apple, cored and chopped. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 cup water or unsweetened almond milk. Instructions: 1. Place all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. Serve immediately. This creamy smoothie is not only tasty but also incredibly nourishing for your skin. Segment 5, Pomegranate Power Smoothie. Our 6th smoothie is the Pomegranate Power Smoothie. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, which have strong antioxidant properties. Ingredients: half cup pomegranate seeds. 1 banana. Half cup blueberries. 1 cup baby kale. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 cup coconut water. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Enjoy right away. This smoothie is a powerhouse of antioxidants that can help protect your skin and overall health. Segment 6, Beet Berry Smoothie. Moving on, we have the Beet Berry Smoothie. Beets are full of antioxidants, including beta-alanes, which help reduce inflammation and support detoxification. Ingredients: 1 small beet, peeled and chopped. ½ cup strawberries. ½ cup raspberries. 1 banana. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed. 1 cup orange juice. Instructions: 1. Place all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and well combined. 3. Serve and enjoy. Segment 7, Almond Blueberry Smoothie. Lastly, we have the almond smoothie. Almonds are full of antioxidants, including minerals, which help reduce inflammation and support detoxification. Ingredients: 1. 1 cup blueberries. 2. ½ cup plain Greek yogurt. 3. 1 tablespoon almond butter. 4. 1 tablespoon honey. 5. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 6. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions: 1. Add all ingredients to a blender. 2. Blend until creamy and smooth. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy. This vibrant smoothie is not only beautiful to look at, but also incredibly good for you. Interactive break, quiz time. Okay, time for a quick quiz. Which vitamin found in berries is particularly good for your skin? Is it A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or C, vitamin D? Comment below with your answer. Pause for audience interaction. If you guessed B, vitamin C, you're right. Great job. Story time break, real life testimonial. Sarah, can you share your journey with us? Now, let's hear a real life story from Sarah, who has experienced amazing benefits from drinking these smoothies. Sarah: Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I started incorporating these antioxidant-rich smoothies into my diet 6 months ago. Since then, I've noticed my skin looks brighter, and I have more energy throughout the day. My favorite is the tropical green smoothie, it's so refreshing and tasty. Thanks for sharing, Sarah. It's inspiring to hear how these smoothies have positively impacted your life. Incorporating these antioxidant-rich smoothies into your daily routine can make a big difference in your skin health and overall well-being. Remember, it's all about making small changes that lead to big results. Have you ever tried any smoothie recipes? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Leave a comment below and share your favorite recipes or any tips you have for making delicious, health-boosting smoothies. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Take care, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.